ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to our analysis after we get this drop, by last time we mentioned if we get any reversal for buy, we'll take it. We had the opportunity to look for buy from here because we mentioned any trade is a short term. And if it doesn't move in our direction, we shouldn't know how to manage it. By the way, this is what we get. And after that, the price drop. All right. Because if we move to forward chart, we see we are within the correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart. And based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. How deep this one can go, we mentioned even we can expect the price drop to 1. But we mentioned we're looking for buy, we're looking for the reversal. If you get any opportunity for buy, they're based on daily and 1 or lower time frame, we will take it because we're looking for the reversal. But beside that, we can expect the price consolidate here for a longer time. That's why I mentioned if we try to look for trade based on lower time frame, but if it doesn't move in our direction, we should know how to manage it because we're looking at this correction. Because since based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up yet. And in this case, we want to see what's the next. And the best thing is if the price could break this correction, then from there, we look for the reversal. All right. By the way, we don't have any opportunity for buy or sell based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, all right, based on forward chart, the way the price is dropping is very corrective. Every time the price tag the previous low, we see the reversal. All right. And now what's the next? Whether we put this one in relative to this for continuation or we wait for the next drop. For sure, if the price could break the lowest price of this one, first lowest price of this correction following by lowest price of this move. As a sharp move to confirm we are out of this correction in relative to this as the first correction and the third wave or following by divergence, any reversal from there, we can look for long-term trade. Because even if the price gives reverse, tag the lowest price of this one reverse, we can expect to be within this downtrend as an extension before we see the reversal. All right. By the way, we don't need for the best things is the price break the lowest price of this correction before we should look for the reversal. This is the best option, but we don't need to wait for that. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. If it price could, if we put our line here, if we see the breakout of the previous stop, we keep the trade. If not, we should either move or stop loss to break even if you want to keep the trade or take out the trade. All right. We are not really interested to look for sell. If you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And the short-term targets we can look for is 1.53 following by 1.62. But at this point, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And if we move to 1 hour chart, if we want to look for trade, at this point, either we look for the reversal as a short move flag or having entry above this can be an option. But we have to wait because at this point, I don't have any trade set up for buy. And for me, if I move to forward chart, as I explained earlier, if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, any reversal from there, this is what I'm looking for. I'm really interested to look for this trade as a long term. That's mean if the price reverse from here, similar to any of this, I consider as a short term. It doesn't mean we are not going to take the trade. We will take the trade, but we have to see the breakout of the previous stop. Because if we simply put our line here, we have to see the breakout of this trend line. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.